Hi, Jim Pinkham, MarineMax Lake Norman, 704-997-2168. Let's look at a 2019 Sea Ray 19 SPX. This 19 SPX is a 2019 model by Sea Ray. It has a very spacious interior, swim pad on the back, bimini top, large captain's chairs, nice instrument cluster on the panel, bow seating, speakers. This 19 SPX has got a painted single axle trailer. Also comes with a complete Sea Ray full cover that will protect the whole entire boat. If you'd like to come by MarineMax Lake Norman, take a look at this 19 SPX. We'll throw in a free tube and a rope as a gift from us to you, and maybe this would make a new Christmas present for you and your family. Again, Jim Pinkham, MarineMax Lake Norman, 704-997-2168.